Why did Canada enter a surprise technical recession amid tariff uncertainty? 2026. Why did Canada enter a surprise technical recession amid tariff uncertainty? The sudden economic downturn could impact jobs and your wallet right now. Canada's economy slipped into a technical recession after reporting 2 straight quarters of shrinking GDP in early 2026. This was unexpected, catching many businesses and investors off guard as the growth slowdown came amid rising tariff tensions. The term technical recession means the economy contracted for 6 months or more, signaling a wider economic slowdown. The official data from Statistics Canada confirmed this downturn, marking a notable shift from previous quarters of modest expansion. One of the key factors driving Canada's recession is tariff uncertainty. Ongoing trade disputes and the threat of new tariffs have made it difficult for Canadian businesses to plan ahead. Exporters face higher costs and delayed shipments, while importers deal with increased prices on essential goods. This uncertainty has chilled investment and slowed corporate spending. Many companies delayed hiring or expansion as they wait for clarity on trade policies that directly affect their bottom line. Manufacturing and export-reliant industries in Canada are feeling the brunt of this recession. Tariffs have disrupted supply chains and reduced demand from key trading partners. Companies in automotive, machinery, and agriculture sectors report tighter profit margins and slower sales. Workers in these industries face job insecurity as firms cut back production or delay projects. Even small businesses dependent on cross-border trade now face tougher conditions. The Canadian government is actively monitoring the tariff situation and working on measures to support affected businesses. This includes financial aid packages, trade negotiations aimed at reducing tariffs, and programs encouraging domestic investment. Officials emphasize the need for stable trade relations to restore confidence and prevent further economic decline. However, the uncertainty remains a major challenge for policymakers trying to balance global pressures with protecting the Canadian economy. Canada's path out of this technical recession hinges on resolving tariff disputes and restoring trade certainty. Businesses need clear policies to resume investment and hiring. If tariffs ease or trade agreements improve, economic growth could return in the coming quarters. However, prolonged uncertainty risks deepening the recession and causing longer-term damage. Analysts recommend closely watching trade talks and preparing for possible continued volatility in key sectors. What this means for you is immediate. Job markets may tighten, and prices for goods could rise due to tariffs. Staying informed about trade developments and economic shifts can help you plan your finances and career moves wisely. Subscribe now to stay updated on how this recession could affect your daily life.